Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're taking a viewer's suggestion to drive on Park Avenue. Now, we may have been on Park Avenue on accident in the past, but we're going to drive on Park Avenue in Havendale today. And right now, we're right on the edge of Mannings Hill Road, getting to turn on, I don't even know the name of the road, but as soon as there's a break in the traffic, we're going to go for it. And away we go. Woohoo! Okay, people. Here we go. Turn my phone off. Okay, we're going to turn left on Highland Avenue right here, according to what I think. And we're just going to go down a little ways and we're going to hit Park Avenue, unless I'm totally mistaken and we have to start the video all over again.
That would be too bad.
Well, that would be a shame, but it could happen, because I am not seeing Park Avenue. I may have to turn my GPS back on. Huh. Okay, people. Sorry.
It looks like a dead end road.
It looks dead end to me. That man wonders what we're doing, I bet. Mm-hmm. But there's no trespassing, no loitering, private property. Okay, well, people, we're going to be cutting this part out. We'll definitely be cutting this part out. Because I thought, according to the GPS map, which you can't go by 100% around here.
Highland Avenue. Or maybe it's not really a dead end, I don't know.
Well, I think we'll take this one here and see what happens. Maybe I was supposed to take this one. Okay. Oh, I bet this was the one I was supposed to take. Because look what I just found. Maloney Park, Havendale. And look what the sign says. Park Avenue. I turned too soon. Oh, that's pretty down there. I should have driven down that street first. If I'd have known, I would have. But Park Avenue. What? Should I drive there first?
I don't know. I'm wondering if you can see a bike coming from down there. Motorbike.
Huh?
I saw this motorbike coming from down there. So.
All right, we're gonna back up here. Well, I don't know what we're going to see down the road here, but this isn't Park Avenue here.
It would look like.
But it looks nice. It looks nice.
It would look like.
I kind of like this wall here.
This house is quite big.
Oh, it goes clear.
Yeah, it's a big house.
Yeah, that's a big home. Okay.
Oh, it seems like there is.
This is Burbank.
A junction down there,
Yeah, it seems so. And this is Burbank. Huh. Well, what do we got over here to the left? Bunch of big pineapples. A lot of cars parked here.
Too.
There must be an apartment building in what? Maybe this one here is an apartment building. That's kind of a nice looking home. Maybe somebody's working in their house or something, getting some remodeling done. That's why there's so many cars parked there. Bunch of workmen.
Oh, but then it is looking.
Huh?
Oh no, it's a junction.
Anyway, I'm gonna turn around and go back to Park Avenue.
It's a junction down here.
Because somebody said drive on Park Avenue, and here I am. I remember that building over there, I think, when I got lost over here the other day trying to show that lady how to get to Mannings Hill Road.
Remember where?
The building I just saw down the street there. I must have been closer than I realized to getting her to where she belonged. So, all right. Well, people don't like it much when I drive fast, but we're getting back to Park Avenue. Okay. Well, this is Park Avenue, people. And there's a nice park in Park Avenue. Well, I don't see anything too exciting here yet, but okay, that's a nice looking apartment building.
Oh, this is a big house. It look like apartment.
Yeah, don't you think that's apartments? Or is that a big old single family?
It would look to me like some apartment.
Yeah, because look how it's got the big.
And
it goes all the way through.
And
see?
I'm seeing some veranda.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see like it's separation. It's different.
Yeah.
Like maybe 2-bedroom.
And here they got a big gazebo or what, a stage or whatever in the park there. That's kind of cool. It looks like they have a bathroom facility down here on the end.
You want some upkeep.
Yeah, I just want some upkeep is all. I remember going by this house, don't I?
I don't remember.
With that red awning there, that canvas awning.
I don't remember.
Look at these flowers here. I keep thinking I hear somebody behind me, but I think it's my own engine that I hear.
I don't remember this road.
Oh, that's interesting. It says Garden, Faith Garden on the little sign there. See that? Faith on the one side and Garden on the other. They got a lot of flowers and stuff. Maybe they...
It look like this is a garbage truck.
It looks so.
Yeah.
But they just throwing it up on top. This is apartments over here to the left.
Yeah.
It's a nice apartment building.
The rooms seem like they're big too. The rooms, see? Bathroom.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they look nice. Yeah, they look very nice.
Oh,
They're called
the Carmels.
The Carmels. That's called the Carmels apartment.
This house is big.
Yeah, that's a nice home there.
Big, yeah.
That's well kept, attractive home. But look how many cars are up in there. That's so I'm wondering.
Apartment.
That must be apartment too.
This look like no one lived there though.
No, it doesn't. Over there, somebody's living. Yeah, over there.
You know.
Let's see back over here. What kind of tree is that in the front there?
This is a mango tree.
That's a mango tree. Okay. Huh. Boy, they're... Oh, this must be an apartment building, or...
Yeah.
See, because they have little verandas on each corner.
Yeah.
See? So it must be like an apartment building. Okay. Well, you know, this is kind of on the edge of the residential before you get into the commercial area on Mannings Hill Road. That's a nice home there. And they've got that canvas awning or whatever that is,
nice
the cloth. It's nice.
Nice with those two dogs.
Huh?
Laying on the veranda.
They're sleeping. What kind of? They're not guard
Garden.
dogs, and I bet you if they ran up here, they'd be wagging their tails at us too. I'll bet you. Oh, this is pretty, sweetie. We're starting to get into more of a pretty area.
These
mature landscapes there. Look at that.
These flowers is like
they're well trimmed down too. You know.
I remember we had this white one and the pink one.
Somebody told me the name of them, and I said that I wondered if I'd remember. And guess what? I don't remember, but somebody told me the name, so I can't ask for the name again because I had like
it's in your comment?
Yeah, I had two or three. I had 2 or 3 different people tell me the name, and they all told me the same name. So I know they.
It's very popular in Jamaica.
Yeah, that's what they said. It's very, very popular.
Because we used to have it.
And so I figured, well, either everybody's mistaken, which is highly unlikely.
See, they have even orange color. Orange color.
This is a nice, attractive landscape here. Very mature, very mature. And look how they put tile on their wall. That's interesting.
Oh, I never see.
I've never seen anybody. That seems like an expensive way to do it. But
Oh.
they had their reason. I'm sure they had their reason for doing it that way. Okay, they've got a neighborhood watch, starts right here. We can't really see this house over here to the left, so I'll
You have
just
to go that way. Cross.
Huh?
You have to go that way to see.
No, I don't need to see it. I'm going to keep my eye on this house here because it's got a couple mango trees. And what do you call this first tree here that I'm aiming at?
I don't know this one. I don't know. It would look like a cashew tree, but no, I think it's some plant that has like flowers on it. I
Oh,
don't know.
just ornamental of some sort.
Yeah.
And then this one looks a little droopy, like she needs a little water. And then these are just some sort of palm trees, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, they've got an ackee tree at the back there too.
Mango trees.
Yeah.
Ackee trees.
And they've got like a shed, like maybe a gardening shed, like a little nursery place to prepare plants or something. Who knows what it is? But that's what I'm gonna guess. That's what I'm gonna guess.
This also comes.
Oh, this one's pretty over here, huh? I better include it. Well, I've got one on each side that's worthy of getting my video. So I'm just gonna have to. This turquoise and white's kind of a pretty house, but it's an old style color. You know, they don't really use that color anymore. Yeah, it's not really. I don't know what you call it, but this one over to the left is number 29.
I like the color.
Yeah, I like that color.
Yeah.
And see how on he's got those aluminum awnings, and then that go all the way across the front of the veranda there. Then that's a long veranda, and then he's got the kind of the same color of his house, along with a green and white, and then his pillars here, or whatever you call these on the wall, they're a green color. So it's kind of a green and cream. Looks nice. It's a nice combination. Boy, the mature, what do you call it, landscape here. It's nice. Okay. I like this house to the left. It's got really nice landscape. And then if you look up in their yard, you can see they have nice short grass, well trimmed down, and it's got the ivy on the wall here.
Oh, why did this?
Yeah, it's ivy. Somebody said.
No, I'm talking about the fencing.
Oh.
Electric fencing.
Well, maybe they got a lot of money and don't want anybody to come in and get it from them.
Whoa.
I'm going to take a picture of the other side here too, because we came on to one here that looks nice.
And you see how the gate, those spike? Look. Wow.
Oh, they don't want.
They look like,
This looks like the.
No, those gates. You don't run with it. You don't look at.
Man, these people are serious.
No.
Look at, and the burglar bars are heavy duty on the outside. Man,
it's the first. The
Man.
gate with those.
Man.
If they get into you, it's like when you fishing hooks, or it has that.
You know, they're no. Yeah.
Gills.
Once they catch you, you can't even get away.
You can't get away.
You
No.
can't even run down the street and get away.
Whoa.
So
No.
I don't know what the deal is. And then these people have some cameras here.
Yeah, from outside.
For this yellow house over here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So maybe there's been some crime in the area or something. Some break-ins,
Yeah.
and people they don't want to deal with it. I don't blame them. I wouldn't
Look
want to
at
deal with it
this.
either.
Yeah, if you have your money and you can.
You know, and if you can do it in a nice way, to me, having all that razor wire and all that,
Gee.
if I have to live where I need razor wire, I don't know if I want to live there. You know? But they have their reasons. Maybe they've been under attack, you know, because of the type of job they have or whatever. Who knows?
Huh.
But this is kind of a simple apartment building.
Yes, apartment.
But it looked good. But see, they've got a lot of those windows that come out like an awning. So you can leave them open even during the rain, and unless the wind's blowing real hard at a certain angle, the water won't even come in the house. I like those kind of windows. Yeah, I like those kind of windows. And now, oh, now look at their roof, sweetie.
It's
See how they've done
yeah,
that?
yeah, yes, I see it. It's look nice.
See?
Mm-hmm.
They've maybe only just put one block before they put their.
Yeah, and it looks so nice.
Yeah, they
nice.
didn't put two. Doesn't look like. They just built a little bit of a cantilever.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, there is no blocks. They just start.
Well, there might be one block.
You know,
Yeah, there might be one block.
It don't look to me.
Or maybe it's just all pure.
It don't look to me.
Is that what they call that when it sticks out? A cantilever?
I think so.
But I like the look of that.
Yeah, you can do.
And it's got the railing, and I wouldn't
They
be
look nice.
surprised what those people can't get up on top of there. That's a real nice looking apartment building.
This one look like the top
The
is.
bright colors, look at the bright colors, the red and the. They've got air conditioning, and yeah, it's a nice place.
What about this house here? The top is concrete. It's
Yeah, it's just a flat roof.
Yeah, concrete. And over there too.
Yeah, there's more houses of that
And
style.
over here too.
Uh-huh.
Some part is concrete, except a part at the back there. Maybe it's a gazebo. I don't know. Way down at the back. Just a little.
Boy, they're thin though. Some of that concrete looks like it's only about 4 inches
4.
thick
That's how it looks.
instead of 6. But if they're not going up another floor, maybe that's all you need is 4 inches, you know.
Oh, but there's a lot of houses here with
A lot of these flat roofs. Uh-huh. Well, this one's got flat, and they've got the aluminum awnings. Okay. Well, oh, that's pretty right in there. Look at their little whatever you call it, their little courtyard or whatever. I don't know if you can see. My camera can see it. I was just gonna do one side, and here I am doing both sides, but that's okay.
Because the 2 sides.
I just go slower, and
But it's a big area.
But sometimes you can't really see.
Look at that. Speed.
Boy, look at that apartment building down there.
We never come around here.
We didn't ever see that one. That one looks like the one I saw when I was lost the other day. Oh, look at down here. This makes me. What road is this?
I just see Park Avenue.
Well, I don't know what goes the other direction, but it looks. I wouldn't. We need to go down it sometime because it looks pretty fancy. But we'll just have to. I had my GPS on, but I turned it off because the other day when I did it, the phone got so hot. I don't think it's good to let your phone get hot like that. But we can always rush back here and drive that road or figure out what the name of it is, when I'm done filming here. Oh, I thought that was a separate house, but it looks like it's attached. It's got a little breezeway.
Yes, I think.
And then it's got like a little, mother-in-law house is what they call them in foreign. I don't know what they call them here. Oh yeah, we're getting into a pretty area now. I mean, it's all been pretty, it just in its own way. And they've got kind of a little garden alongside one side of their driveway here is really nice looking. Woo, boy, that thing stands out like a fan in the middle of. Look how tall it is.
Yeah.
It almost looks out of place. It's so big.
I think it's a palm too.
Yeah, no, it's a special kind of palm that grows that way, or I don't know, they train it to grow that way, or if it does that on its own, a certain breed, or a certain variety or whatever.
I wouldn't bother to plant those palm because if you have a big place, but when like a big place, if you have like a half acre or so, but having a small place, those things take a lot of space.
Yeah. Oh boy. I want to get back on this yellow one, but this one here, this yellow and blue house. Oh no, it's got a different kind of a roof that goes to the middle and then runs out the middle, see? See how each side slopes to the middle and then it runs out the middle.
Yeah.
And then this one.
Oh, is that aloe vera they have out the front there? It's aloe vera.
Is that aloe vera right here?
Yes, yeah.
Wow, those are big aloe veras. I see, sweetie. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, that's quite the landscape. I wanted to get this house behind us here, this yellow house, because it's got some pretty landscape too. Look at it. And they, you know, oh, and they've got a place where they can go up on their roof up there too.
Is it really aloe vera? Because it looks like aloe vera.
It looks like aloe vera. Yeah. Unless you want to jump out and check it, but well, and then look at these little yellow flowers. Oh. They're almost like a weed or something, but they're pretty. You know, in foreign they get dandelions and everybody hates them. But actually, if they just stayed yellow all the time, they'd be pretty. But these may be the same deal. They kind of go to seed, and then they're not so pretty.
Yeah. I don't know.
Now, what do you call this with the pods on it?
I don't even know what is that. I don't know.
It's, you know, the ponciana's got kind of a pod.
Yeah.
But that doesn't
I don't know what
have flowers like a ponciana. Oh, there's just so much. I practically needed to go both sides, but I'm really just. I hope my viewers and subscribers. I hope you guys aren't getting dizzy, because I'm going from left to right. But just, you know, when it's on our head, we can control it. But these poor viewers and subscribers, they can't control left or right. They just have to go with what I do with my hand out the window here. Sorry, people. Sorry. Well, I don't need to really show that house over there. It almost looks like it might be vacant.
Yeah, that's what it.
Yeah, it's vacant. I'll just show this one. That's the old. They've got that rock on the one wall there. That's kind of nice. They've got the old louvered windows. Huh.
And they're working on this house.
And this one they're working on redoing. See, they're replacing some boards on that center place where the water runs. The boards were rotting out, and they're fixing it. Hello. Get it all fixed up. Yeah.
See this
oh,
cactus?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Seems like somebody might have told me what kind of cactus that was too. But I need to tell you stuff because your memory's better than mine.
Sometimes too much.
You know, that's the same style as that other house, but this one's a little bit bigger. Okay, have we come to the end of the line here? Oh, and there's a pomegranate on the corner there. See it?
Oh,
right in front of you there. Yeah. Well, let me bring this in.
They look dried up, so they don't look good.
All right, viewers and subscribers, we're gonna end the video right now, and then I'm gonna look at the map and everything and see if we really have finished it, and if we haven't, maybe we'll do another one or we'll come back another time. But you know, there was that one street. I want to go see what the name of it was, because it was really pretty. And you know, down this street looks nice too. I don't know what street this is. I'm tempted to go do it, but we need to get back. So if we get that delivery, we'll be home. So anyway, viewers and subscribers, sorry we didn't, you know, we missed a day yesterday. We hated missing it because Sunday's a big day, you know, for people watching YouTube. But we just had too many things going on, and even though we're retired and full-time YouTubers, these people who do an hour video every single day, they just really must have a routine. But a lot of them are single people. But we have other things going on. We can't just do videos, and we kind of try to coordinate with other things that are going on. Anyway, I'm jabbering about nothing that you all don't need to hear. I'll have to cut all that out. You think? Maybe so. Okay, sweetie.
Yeah.
Okay. Viewers and subscribers, be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from, you with me?
Red
Button Journal. Yes, sir.
And big up to Mitchell and Doll.
Oh, yeah, Mitchell and Doll, because
and
they gave us
Tony.
Yes, because I forgot, sweetie.
Yeah,
I forgot.
Our new friends.
Yes, because they gave a shout out on their video.
Yeah.
For us. And we got several new subscribers. So go over to Michelin Doll.
Yeah.
And subscribe.
Yeah.
They're a couple that are very similar to us.
Out there in Australia.
And they're in Australia. And not only are they on the other side of the world, they're the reverse personalities. They're the reverse personalities.
Down under. They're down
because
under.
Tony's more quiet like Madge.
Yeah.
And
Mitchell and Doll.
And Mitchie Boo, as some people call her, Mitchie Boo.
Yeah.
She's more outgoing like me.
Yeah.
So
the talkative person.
Yeah. So we're the same, but we're the opposite, just like we're on the opposite sides of the world.
Yeah, so big up.
So big up, you guys. Go over to their channel.
I'll
try to remember to put a link in the description too for them. So that'd be something I might try to remember to do. So, all right, guys. Love you. Big up. Bless up. Later.